Welcome to Wiki General. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add friends from contacts on Instagram. Before starting a video, let you know about that if you have any problem related to Instagram tips and tricks, we have a complete playlist on it and the link is in the description. So without wasting a time, let's go toward the video. First go to your profile, click on the profile icon at the bottom right, then click on the three dots and then click on the discover people option at the bottom. So now you see the option connect contact. Click on it. Now you see the option allow access. Click on it to connect your contacts. So your contacts are connected with Instagram. If you want to add a people from here, select a friend from here which you want to add on your Instagram. So these are the simple steps to connect contacts on Instagram. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.